Hello to everyone and welcome to our job. In this case, we selected a payment gateway called Place to Pay. We hope you like it.
Imagine that there is a bridge between you and clients, and that this bridge is us, a payment gateway which enables channel to sell and buy online, allowing to accompany you throughout the digital transactional process in a safe, agile, and effective way through a set of solutions that help digital transaction be processed, reviewed, and approved. We are a solid gateway that guarantees integration to any system or programming language, platform stability, transactional monitoring, support and accompanying, custom development, facilitating your life and the one of your clients. Since with us, you can get tools like transactional plans, web integration with and without reduction, payment link design of collection, microsite, IVR channel, self-declaration, functionalities like recurring charge, conciliation system, tokenization system, dispersion, distribution, mixed payment, QR. Using our gateway, your clients have payment channels such as receive secure payment through our IVR phones, receive payment at point of sales, receive payment through applications, receive payment through websites, and more options to pay since we have savings in checking accounts, credit cards, cash payment, international payment, private cards, electronic wallet. As pillar we have service orientation, having a good work environment backed by a culture that we are all human and must know how to listen, speak, and ask the right question at the right time. And security as a vocation, this is why in the transactional process we have advanced fraud control system, payment histories analysis, transactional monitoring expert, identification and blocking of massive attack that allow to reduce to the maximum the risk that a client buys you with false data reflected in two tools called Securus and 3Ds, which provide total confidence to your clients since their payments are processed under strict security control. This is why we are the first Colombian payment gateway to obtain PCI Level 1 certification, the highest standard of transaction processing security in the credit card industry. We also have a data analysis system called Predictive that allows us to offer a consulting system for decision making based on the recurring data on customer behavior, generating effective segmentation faster and monitoring the clearer cross-selling generation. All this year it is possible thanks to the team that is always ready to listen to you and provide you with personalized and technical advice with constant support by analyzing you and getting to know you better to guarantee that your information is always safe and your need is always resolved, becoming more than just any support in your alley. Your goal is to grow your online business and provide your security and agility in your electronic payments, as well as providing strategies for your exponential growth. That's why we are the best ally for your company. Contact us, and you will obtain solutions through customer service security, adaptation to the solution, and accessibility. Keywords. For the research of keywords, we use two platforms, Good Eggs and Nearest Puddles. You will suggest. To create the campaign in Google Ads, it asks us to access our account, enter the name of the company and its website, then ask us to enter the areas where we plan to provide the service and the potential audience is shown to us. Then we enter the keywords for our product. We will suggest some possible words The more keywords the audience become even greater. Then it asks us for the information that we want to be visible for the ad. And finally, direct us to the window to define the budget that we want to allocate. In this case, it recommends three options, which are in the range of what the competition spend on it. We can choose a new budget, but a notice appears that if the budget is lower than the competition, the ad may not have the desired effect. The other platform is nearpaddle.com, where we are provided with a tool called UberSuggest. First, it asks us to enter the keyword and the country where we want to operate. Then it throws us a table with the main keyword. Each search volume, in our case, is 1,000. Estimated competition for when you decide to carry out this SEO strategy, the lower the better. In our case, it is low. It also shows the estimated competition for when you pay for an ad. SEM strategy, like the previous example with Google Ads, the lower the better. In our case, it is low. And finally, it shows us the cost per click. In our case, it is cheap, 1,542 pesos or zero point 0.4 US dollar approximately. Below, it shows us three tables. One, where it shows the behaviors people when clicking. In this case, people prefer to click on link with an organic positioning SEO. The second table shows the segmentation. In our case, the people who search for these words are between 18 and 24 years old mainly. And the third table shows all the related keywords with the search volume, cost per click, competition in SEO strategy, and competition in SEM strategy.